Hi, my name is John Okoyan. I'm the founder of Rooter Hero Plumbing, and we do drain cleaning, plumbing service and repairs, and also heating and air conditioning service. And a wide variety of services like water heaters, faucet repairs and replacement. We do drain repairs and replacements, repipes. Why you should choose our company? Okay, number one, we have 6,000 to 8,000 five-star reviews. And another reason is that we're an emergency plumbing service business. You're gonna get same-day service, usually within an hour, and if it's an emergency, maybe even faster than that. We hold many certifications and licenses because we do so many different things in the home that we're required to have a license for each one we do. Our team is trained on different areas. Everybody has an expertise. We have expert drain cleaners, we have expert plumbing installers and teams that do all kinds of different services. We have weekly meetings. We go through safety. Number one, we have safety meetings to make sure that our technicians are, number one, keeping the work area safe for you, our customer. Number two, they're being safe because we don't want them to get hurt either. We have drain cleaning classes where we teach our guys how to do proper drain cleaning, how to use the proper equipment for the proper drains, and also plumbing as well. I mean, we have all kinds of classes that we give our guys and certify them in different arrays of plumbing services, from tankless water heaters to gas lines to faucet repairs and replacements to all the new neat things that are out there. Automatic shutoff valves for your house to prevent it from flooding, things like that. Our company motto is everybody needs a hero, and we want to be a hero to you, okay? And that's why we believe that if you call Rooter Hero Plumbing and Air, that we will respond, be on time, and give you a great service, and you will refer us to friends and family because you're so happy with our service. So we want to be a hero to you.